our herpes viruses, such as Epstein-Barr virus, the monomer, which can cause leukemia, cytomegalovirus, which is associated with breast cancer, and others, such as human papillomavirus, which causes cervical cancer, are recognized as cancer-causing viruses. Can you explain the proposed mechanism by which this takes place?
Yeah, exactly. So a number of those herpes viruses known to be oncogenic or potentially cancer-causing viruses. And many viruses are actually somewhat studied now for the possibility that they can contribute to cancer or oncogenesis type processes. Part of how viruses do that is that if they infect tissue and they infect often the human cells themselves in those tissue samples, they can cause the cells that are infected to lose certain inhibitions. So most of our cells have what's called checkpoint inhibition, where they only replicate a certain number of times because signaling turns on to check and turn down their replication. But viruses can actually get in the way sometimes of that checkpoint signaling. And that means that the cells don't get that signal, and then they can keep replicating and replicating. And if cells replicate often, that can be, for example, the basis of the formation of a tumor. There's a number of mechanisms by which viruses do that, but really key there is that they're taking what our human cells do, and their proteins are interfering with the human programming that should keep those cells from replicating more or from expressing more inflammatory or other signaling molecules that are part of the signaling that drives cancers. And so really they're, in simple terms, hacking our human cells in ways that lead to cancer type processes.